what's going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Biker, and I'm just going to do a quick little gear video for you today. We're just going to talk briefly about my gloves. I have two pairs of gloves. I have these Icon riding gloves. They are my summer gloves. I wore them for most of last year until it started to get cold. I also have these Mid-Tex gauntlet gloves, which are like a wintry, warmer glove. They have like a fleece lining in them. But we'll talk about them individually. So these gloves right here, again, are from Icon. I fell in love with them because they had the animal print, and clearly that's my thing. And they're sassy, and we got to keep it sassy, guys. Like, stay safe, stay sassy. It comes from somewhere. It's who I am. Ask the beard. Always sassy all the time. Him, not me. I'm not the sassy one. He is. But they're really nice. They have an armor there in the knuckle. They're super lightweight. The leather palms. They're a little worn because, again, I wore them most of last year, but I'm still really happy with them. I have zero complaints about them other than they're not warm when it's cold outside, but they're summer gloves, so they wouldn't be warm when it's cold outside. These gloves are my Mid-Tex gauntlet gloves I talked about just a second ago. They are the Tourmaster, apparently, and they're nice. They're not quite as warm as I would like them to be, but for Southern California winters, they're not terrible. When it started to get to be about 30, they weren't quite as warm as I would have liked them to be. But overall, they're really nice. They keep the wind from getting up in my hoodie. They are comfortable. I had to get an extra large, I believe, in these gloves, mostly because of my nails. To be 100% honest, I have long nails, and I needed to make sure I could grip things with them because on the large size, they fit other than that, but it was pulling on my fingernails, and you know, long nail problems. Sorry about it. But yeah, so they're nice. I really enjoy them, especially when it is on the cooler side. They keep my hands pretty warm, which is nice, and I'm not riding in rain or snow or anything, so they do the job, absolutely. But that's pretty much it. Just a little quick video. If you were ever wondering what my gloves are, the Icon and the Mid-Tex, I highly recommend both of them. Again, for summer riding or for Southern California winters, they do the job pretty well. Thanks so much for stopping by. Stay safe and stay sassy. Why are you so bossy? What are you doing?